Hey guys, first of all I am very sorry about delay of the video due to some software issues and recording software is not working for my PC, so that I did not able to post video every day. You also observed in the video I record question explanation in one day and answer in another day. Please consider it. Any delay, let's start our video. Hello guys, welcome to day 7. Today we have the question called reverse words in the string. It is a 151 LeetCode question and it is medium question. In this question they given one string. We get the output in the form of reverse string. That means reverse string means not, suppose in the string the sky is blue. Reverse string is not EULB, not reverse, that like it like that. We reverse the string but words are same. Suppose we reverse the string means blue is only coming, is coming, sky is coming, die is coming. This is the main logic. And another thing is we did not consider any unwanted spaces in the outside the characters, outside the strings. And this is the main question. So coming to logic of the question, it is very simple. So first we are did not consider outside the spaces, so we using the trim operation. So here I string s1 sub I trim them and I split based on the spaces. So I using the split function. Now if you split the string, it converted into array. So I given string array str s1 dot split of, and we have one condition. No, if you two spaces here, we considered only one space. So that for that I written one regular expression backspaces s plus. This means spaces plus means if you have more than one spaces, it considered as only one spaces. This is the logic in it. And we want output in the string format. So I create one string with temp variable. So here we printing the strings in the words in the reverse direction. So here we are using the for loop from iterate from left to right. So I given int I equal to string dot length -1 to up to 0. Why? Because we did not consider 0th index, because so we are printing word with spaces. And suppose the sky is blue is a string here, blue with space is print, is with space is print, I'm sorry, sky with spaces is print, but we did not print the da with spaces, so only da is printed. So that is why we iterate up to first index. We did not consider 0th index. Lastly we directly add 0th index in the string. So here I written temp variable temp plus str. So here not is plus or minus, we decrement the I value string of I, and I simply suppose for your consideration I add 0th index, what will happen? Let's see. So I did simply return this, return temp. So I run it. What happened? Let's see what happened. So here we print the reverse direction but without spaces is printed. So I added it with spaces. Here everyone. So I run this. So here we print with spaces, but last index did not have any spaces. We did not allow any spaces, but here we allow one last index with spaces. So we iterate up to 1th index up to 1th index, and lastly we print directly with 0th index, string of 0. Let's run it. Yeah, it accepted. Submit it. Yeah, it's submitted. And this is for day 7. And if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. I will help you. Thank you.